What's up guys, you're watching The Street Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5, how to fix random codes not working on a PS5. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here you simply just go to settings and user and accounts, then go to here we are, the purchase and a subscription settings. Here you add funds, the redeem code. You simply add a redeem code, and after that you get the error. Your redeem code is not working. Sometimes the server is down, sometimes you can buy a wrong redeem codes. That's why you simply go to the address, and here's a check. Just back to go to the address, check your PSN region. So here you have your region Turkish. So you must have a redeem code from the Turkish gift card. If you have a UK, then you have a US. If you have a UK, then you must have a UK. If you have a US, then you must have a US. Middle East, you can buy a Middle East gift card codes. So, and after that you check the servers. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error. If the server is down, Sony will fix this up automatically. You just simply wait. So that's how simply you can fix this up. And if you want to ask my question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.